welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Leah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Tap the button below so you can subscribe to my channels for when I post new videos. So let's get straight to it. What I'm going to be showing you guys today and what we're going to be going through is me bleaching and re-dyeing my hair. I'm looking in the mirror as I'm saying this to you guys. As we can see, it's not all the way bleached and dyed through. I still have a lot of spots where you can still see, especially like this one for sure. Let me try to dim the light just a little so you guys can see, but you can still see my actual hair color in there, which is going to be a dark brown. Most people would say black, so that's what color my actual hair is. So that's what we're going to be doing. You can see when I pull my hair up, you can see that dark hair. But yeah, we are going to be going from this orangey to the actual color I want. It's going to be hi you guys, this process is actually about to be a bit fun because new apartment, I'ma leave the floor wet, walk around this beach naked, and nobody gon' tell me shit. Sorry. But yeah, you guys, like, I had an idea of what I wanted to do with my hair, so we gonna see how it turns out. Y'all stay tuned. So I just washed my hair, and like, as you guys can see, this is what I was talking about. You see how I can stand away? Maybe it'll be better if I turn the bathroom lights off so y'all can really see what I mean. Okay, Google, turn bathroom lights off.
All right, turning off 4 lights.
Okay, look. And especially like, it doesn't even look like the color I want it to look, but you guys can really see the color dimensions. Like, it's just not there where it really needs to be. Okay, Google, turn bathroom lights on. You guys, it's a full moon tonight.
All right, turning on 4 lights.
All right, but now I have rinsed out my hot oil. Now you guys, we are gonna get ready for the bleach process, so let's get it. So in this section, I used a 30 volume developer. Over time, I realized that I should have used maybe a 40 developer to develop my roots a little bit more. You're also going to see I am going to fast forward through this clip because it is just me mixing together the bleach and the developer together. So it was nothing really to really stay tuned to. So I'm just going to fast forward through that process. Okay, so in this section, you'll finally see us applying the bleach to the base of my hair. We're not getting the roots just yet. You'll also see us applying foil because I need for the bleach to penetrate my hair a little bit more and be able to lift lighter because my hair is very dark. So you'll see us applying foil throughout my hair, and he's not going to be getting the roots just yet because the roots will be last because they lift the lightest, and I do not want my hair to be uneven again. But like I did say, I maybe should have used a 40. Maybe next time if I go a long time without getting my hair bleached again, I'll try a 40 because my hair is very dark, but I'm already, my hair is already bleached, so I don't know, we'll see. But I am going to cut this video down because it was very long, so for the sake of YouTube and for the sake of my viewers, I'm going to cut this video down. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. Okay, so this is my hair all foiled up. As you guys can see, I muted myself talking so you guys can hear, but I want you guys to know in the next video, I don't even know what happened. I think my phone didn't have enough storage, so it didn't capture the video, or like it didn't save. I don't even know, but I mixed together my colors and I went ahead and I dyed my hair. That process in itself, you guys, literally took like an hour for me to just apply it, since I did that by myself. I didn't have any help because Corey went to sleep. But yeah, it literally took an hour. But as you can see, when I turned my head around, it did look a little yellow still at the back. But next time I'll make sure that I get the back a little better with the orange. But it did turn out the color that I wanted to. I did achieve the color. I will link below the colors that I did use and what brand I used. Kiss. And what I used was a mixture of Cajun Spice, Orange Blaze, Sunrise Orange, and Ginger. Those were the colors I used. In the front, those two that you can see right there at the front of my head, I used Cajun Spice, so those are intentionally a little bit darker. But I'm gonna do a fresh retwist and be back. So here we are with the fresh retwist. I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like when I'm finally done. And I decided to go ahead and just post some pictures of the retwist when I put some jewelry in my hair. Another thing is I also just want to show you guys what my hair has previously looked like up until this point, my journey since I've started, which was August of 2019 up until now. I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope you guys share this video, and I hope you guys subscribe and stay tuned with this journey. I'll be posting and sharing a lot more tips and posting a lot of my clients' journey because I also do hair. You guys stay powerful, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and goodbye.